Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're opening the garage and we're fixing the one thing that could be improved on the S4. We're gonna go to a couple different stores, fix that right now. We got some pops, some crackly poppies. Beautiful, I say beautiful, it's a little gray out, but it is 55 degrees and it's December, what, 9th? Is it the 9th today? December 9th, 60 degrees it's gonna be later today. So we're getting a lot done. I'm gonna wash the car because now in Michigan, the salt is going down on the roads, which is really unfortunate, but wash the car every couple weeks, make sure we spray off at least like the bottom half of that nasty salt. Just do some cleaning up. I know you guys have been looking forward to the house mod videos, so a little bit of that coming today as well. First stop is AutoZone, and then we're going to Ace Hardware if they don't have what we need. And we're back on Woodward. I know a lot of my people on here are from kind of the Southeast Michigan area, where Woodward is prevalent in the lives of many. It's not quite the same in the summer versus winter. Got some greasy weather. Sometimes you see like random Urus out and about though, because people still like cars down here. So they have wicked daily drivers, but it's very different vibes. Where you guys are from, do you have 2-story AutoZones or are they this large? I feel like this is a really big AutoZone. Thing's huge. Do they have it? Yes, they do. And it got more expensive. And some of this stuff. So we got these bad boys, some fine grade steel wool. Like the finest that they have. I want to make sure. And then this Mother's Mag aluminum polish. I swear I bought like 3 of these. They used to be like $7, now they're 10. It's a bit ridiculous, but have to do it to make the magic happen. These are going to assist us in our project today, big time. Also, I'm at Trader Joe's right now, just hitting all the errands, and it's a madhouse. People are crazy. I swear there was a line outside and it was like 1 in, 1 out, like a club or something. It was crazy. Not a fan of running errands. And bro, the lady to my left just like hit my fender with her bag. Deep breaths. That's why we get PPF, everybody. And I'm in the car and it's running. Like my light is on. Like my lights are on. That's why I hate parking in public lots, and like especially when it's so busy like this, like all these spots are full. I always park away from people. Crazy. I've been in the car 5 minutes. Lady hits my fender with her bag. Oh my gosh, like this lady just pulled in and tried to pull in frontwards. Let's see if she's trying again, the same exact angle, bro, I swear. Oh my goodness gracious. Holy mackerel. If you guys want to play like stress simulator, just go. It's not even a simulator. If you want to stress yourself out, oh my goodness. If you want to stress yourself out, just go park in a public parking lot on a busy weekend. Some of you may think I'm overreacting. Let's get that to focus. I've had my car hit, my S5 hit twice in a parking lot when I wasn't in the car, so it just stresses me out. And both those times too, I was parked like relatively far away from other people, but it gets me so mad because a lot of the panels, especially the like fender, they're aluminum and they're expensive to repair. I've spent hundreds of dollars in paintless dent repair, and it's super obnoxious having to do it because it's totally preventable, but it's just like people who don't pay attention or idiots who don't respect other people's stuff that do it. So here's our culprit. Unfortunately, these things are just beat. I've never cleaned these. We've got a really tight gap, if any. These are just disgusting, so we're gonna try and clean them. Literally just straight up black. Helping today are Adam's wheel cleaner. I think this guy on the tips best we can. Hopefully we'll see a crazy before and after. I don't know, it's just so gnarly right now. too much on like the paint. Carbon fiber clear coat. It's turning super brown already. Better, honestly, but still need that steel wool aluminum polish, so we're gonna get that riled up right now. Really careful not to touch the diffuser here. It's tricky. We're getting there. So I just dried them with the kind of dirty already microfiber, but I'm actually gonna go back one more time with the towel and polish. And with the microfiber, I'm actually gonna get on the outside as well. Kind of over here. So the part that you can see, shiny as well. Oh, it's looking 10 times better. Heck yes. Look at the comparison right now. I haven't even touched this side yet, like even with a wash. And that side. And I'm gonna wash the car today, so it won't look so bad. Time for a full wash. I haven't washed these winter wheels since last year. Woo, I'm exhausted, but that looks 50,000 times better. I just washed the whole car, so that was the main thing today, ladies and gents. I'd say we nailed it. Throw links to products in the description. I've used this before on the S5 and Carson C63. This stuff is undefeated, I'm telling you. Like, if you guys have any other methods, let me know, but so far this one seemed to work the best for me. Check that out, boy. This one clean. Gotta. All right, got that back on. Now we're clear. Well, that was a huge before and after difference for both the gutters and the exhaust tips. Fun little activity, productive day for sure. The winter time, I feel like it's especially not hard, but we got like one nice day, so I obviously filmed. We're about to get some snow. We're about to get some gnarly weather for sure. And in Michigan, the car stuff kind of goes like, meh. So last winter we focused really hard on the S4 build project, and that was super fun. This winter, obviously we'll find some stuff, but for the time being, I guess we'll just play it by ear, kind of take it week to week and find some stuff. Last winter, and I think like 2 winters ago, I worked on some cool merch projects, so this was one of them. I don't know, maybe make some cool stuff. If you guys watched this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. I'm holding a pair of socks. Subscribe if you're new. Till next time, we'll see ya.